Hello, this is Sarah Furman, and this is my survey for sheep production. So I did a Google form, and I have 5 questions. So just at the top, I added what it was and a little bit of understanding on why people are taking the survey. And then there's my first question, my third question, third, fourth, fifth. And the thing I really like about Google Forms is you can have either multiple select, you can have a short answer, you can have long answer, actually all these different options. It's a very neat tool. And so once you do have responses, you come up here, you click responses, and I've had a few, and you can do a lot of things with these. You can see obviously what people put, you can see their knowledge. These are open-ended questions, and no one got that one right, but that's okay. And yeah, it's a pretty cool tool. You can make it a quiz if you want, but obviously this is a survey, so I didn't do that. And you can also make a spreadsheet with this. And so then it has all the answers in a nice organized fashion. And it even says what time, the timestamp people took it. So yeah, that is my sheep production survey.